This is the Savage Scientist on this 22nd day of Vlogmas 2024. I have the Anker desk riser, and I'm about to show you one of the most unusual ways I'm going to use this thing. And I bought two of these, and it's already unboxed. That's the box. So this is what it looks like coming out the box. I'm doing this one-handedly, so you might have to bear with the little savage unboxing here without the power of the SKFF. So starting off, pull tab off. So we already have some technical difficulties here. All right, we got it off. Damn, this was not that hard the first time around. So this is what it looks like coming out the box. Isn't it beautiful? Left side, right side here. And as you can see here, we got display in, or some type of, I don't know what that means. We have 5 gigabits per second. I don't know what all this stuff means, but we have, I'm thinking that might be display in. We have 5 gigabits per second rated USB ports. So I don't know what this is. We do have two types of SD card. We have the micro and standard SD card slot. We have our 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. I think this last spot might be just decoration. On the inside of this thing, we have, I know they have more shit on the inside here. Here we go. And on the inside, we have a HDMI port, Ethernet, USB. Let me see if I could get a little focus on here. Keyboard, and thinking this is the jack that goes to the PC. And this is some more stuff. I'm thinking this is what the cable wraps around this section, and it sits up on your desk in that fashion. So this is what it looks like, and it sits on your desk. This is my desk, and it doesn't work on the desk I have, so I decided to mount this thing in one of the most different configurations. This is how I'm doing it. So it is set alongside my beautiful computer here, and it will be placed on the side of the desk, probably for future use. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I really like this thing, and I'm getting rid of this contraption, this piece of shit here. This is a 4-port USB, a 4-port USB hub. So I could power on each hub individually. I don't need that switcher anymore. So that's it for a productivity device I have. And I'm also gonna talk about this keyboard sometime soon. This is the Iron Mountain keyboard. This part slips in and creates a full keyboard. It's an alright keyboard. So this is the Savage Scientist here with the Anker. What is this thing called? The Anker desktop monitor riser, whatever the damn thing called. This thing. So till I make my next video, peace out.